Hello everybody, let's go ahead and get started on our F worksheet for today. All right, so go ahead and get into your communication folder and pull out this worksheet, F for fish. And then you also need your pencil, you need your red crayon, and then of course you need your communication folder because we need to know how to spell our name properly. Let's begin by writing our name at the top of the paper. Write your name right up there. Make sure to look at the communication folder so that you know how to spell your name. Spell it properly right at the top. And then you're going to start by coloring the big and little or uppercase and lowercase f with red. Why are we coloring with red today? That's right, because it's the color of the week. Great job. So just do a color, stay in the lines, do a good job, nice and pretty. Do the uppercase F and the lowercase f. And then we're actually also going to color the fish as well. Remember, we're still working on strengthening our hand muscles, following directions, listening, and I want you to know what color this is because we're going to be taking a test on it. And so the more we use the color during the week, the more likely we are to remember the colors. You might remember the colors, but we have other students who in our class who don't know the colors. And so I have to make a video for everyone. So just do your best of coloring this with the color red, okay? Now, up here you have uppercase F's and lowercase f's right up in all of these squares right here. So what we're gonna do is two things. If it is an uppercase, a big F, we're going to circle it. So let's do that right now. Circle, 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 circle. There we go. We're also working on our shape of the week, which is circle. Now, for the lowercase f's or the little f's, we are going to do a little scribble on it so that we know which one is uppercase and which one is lowercase. Just like that, all right? So this is what yours should look like so far. Your name at the top, color your uppercase F and your lowercase f and the fish. And then you're gonna put a little scribble on the lowercase f's and circle the big F's. We will be doing this worksheet every week. So if you do it properly now, you'll know what to do every week. And then down here, we have to trace the uppercase F's and write them, and then trace the lowercase f's and write them. So let's go ahead and get started. Get your pencil. We're going to use pencil. We're not going to use the crayon. And we're going to trace the uppercase f's all the way down. So let's go ahead and do that. When you make an F, you start at the very top and you make the straight line down. Then you go back to the top and you make a straight line over, and then you go to the middle of the line and you make a straight line over. So it's hard to see pencil for you guys. This is gonna be really hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to use a marker because I want you guys to be able to see. But when you do it, I want you guys to use your pencils, okay? In class, you guys would be using your pencils, but I would be using a marker up at the board. And we wouldn't necessarily be doing so many worksheets. We would actually be doing other boxes. So I'm trying to find red. 1 second. All right, well, I can't find red, unfortunately. I don't know where it went. So I'm gonna go ahead and use pink just so that you can see it show up on the camera, okay? So like I said, you're going to start at the top and go down straight, and then you're gonna go back to the top and go over, go to the middle and go over. So there we go. Now it is easier for you to see. So start at the top and go down, start at the top and go over, start in the middle and go over. All right, Go ahead and trace them all the way through. Make sure to stay right on that dotted line. Take your time and do it nice so that they actually look like F's. Okay, so that's what an F is supposed to look like, these right here. All right, now we're going to write 3 F's by ourselves. So let's go on to the next line, and you're gonna make a line down, go back to the top, make a line over, go to the middle, make a line over, just like this. So here's where we trace them. Now you're gonna make it by yourself. Now you're gonna do 3 of them. That's 1, here's 2, here's 3. And now I have 3 F's that I wrote all by myself. All right, let's trace the little f's, or the lowercase f. So a lowercase f is actually a candy cane. Think about a candy cane. So we're going to make a candy cane. You're going to start at the tip of the candy cane and then make the straight line down, just like this. And then we have to follow the little dotted line, just a little line right in the middle, okay? So it's gonna look just like that. All right, go ahead and trace all of them. So yours is gonna look just like this. And then you're gonna write 3 lowercase f's all by yourself. 1, 2, and remember, it's a candy cane first. So you're gonna start here, you're gonna go up, make a little hook. We're making a hook, and then a straight line down. And then in the middle, you're just gonna draw a little line right in the middle, just like this, okay? So see how it's a little hook, and then you go straight line, and then a straight line in the middle. And guess what? We're all done. All right, my friends, you did an amazing job. Go ahead and when you're done with this worksheet, put it into your communication folder in the very front, because you'll be turning this in to me, all right? We'll see you later. Bye.